Hi, my name is Patrick Kullbergs, and I work as a delivery consultant here at Good Solutions. I will in this short video show you how to get started with automatic production follow-up with RS Production OEE, utilizing a machine integration using our reliable and easy-to-use RS BlackBox as the interface. In our previous video, I showed you how to configure and get started with RS Production using the Setup Wizard. And this video can be found on our homepage and on our YouTube channel. For this case, I have already done that and will now connect a RS BlackBox to a computer and simulate production. It will be the same as if a RS BlackBox was connected to a production unit. So the first thing you must do to get started is to install the RS BlackBox and connect it to your measure point. And a measure point is where the data is collected. Typically, it's a machine, a production line, or a workstation. So the black box will of course need electricity, and for the production follow-up you'll have to connect a 24-volt signal that will indicate a cycle signal and or a production time signal. If you're uncertain of what you should use, or if you just want some help, you can always contact us. But in this case we will be simulating a cycle signal. And a cycle signal can be retrieved in many ways, for example by using an optic sensor. Now, let's have a look at the RS BlackBox. It has power, and a 24-volt signal is connected to input 0. The next step is, with the use of a USB cable, to connect the RS BlackBox to a computer or touchscreen running RS Production OEE. You can either buy a touchscreen from us, or you can use a computer already at your disposal. Both our RS BlackBoxes and touchscreens can be bought from our web shop at our homepage www.goodsolutions.se. Right now I'm at the dashboard, so we'll have to go to the RS BlackBox Settings. And as we connect the black box to the computer, it will appear in RS Production OEE. Now I will connect the cycle signal to the right measure point. So I will go to the cycle signal connections page. I'll click Create, select the right input, put 0, and then select the right measure point, machine 1. And voila, we are done. Let's have a look in the operator interface to see how it looks. Right now we have a stop, but as soon as we simulate cycles, the stop will end. And there we go. And as long as RS Production OEE is getting cycles, the machine will be considered running. Now, when the cycle signal stops, we will get a stop, which we now can resyncode. I will select machine. Now that we have started resyncoding stops, we can start analyzing the production data by having a look at our ready-to-use reports, which we do by first going to the main menu and then selecting reports. And then we want to look at the losses report. And here we can see the stop reason report and the stop we just resyncoded. And there you have it. In under 5 minutes, you can immediately start collecting production data, so you can start identifying losses and improve the efficiency of your production site. And you can do it straight away with the help of our ready-to-use reports. We're so confident in our product, you can try it for free for 60 days. So head on over to our homepage, www.goodsolutions.se, to find out more. Thank you for listening.